I'm the pilot from the Austrian police helicopter, and my mission here is for firefighting. In the past I saw many firefights, but the mission, yes, it is so big. It is incredible. And I hope we can help the colleagues here against the fire. We will see in the evening.
How long have you been firefighter?
Today, the first day, but in the past about 15-16 years.
So you really have
In Austria, yes. But here I'm the first time I'm here in Slovenia, and other situation, other surfaces, and it's a challenge. It's really a challenge.
How many people, helicopters from Austria is here? Just you?
Yeah,
Just you?
only I. And we also firefights in Austria, and there is not so easy to come here, but we try to support all colleagues here and all rescue teams.
Why are you grounded now? Why are you not in the air helping?
Here is my position, and the area which is burning is here on the west side, and from the helicopter it is huge. It's a huge fire. I have never seen this kind of fire.
We heard that visibility is very bad.
Yes, because the air is and the smoke is very dense. Yes, for example, you cannot see other helicopters which is flying 100 before you. Yes, and at this reason we transmit. We transmit. Where is your position? Where's my position? To avoid the crash in the area.
How many times have you been up today?
We will see. I don't know it.
You've been already?
Yes, we make a short break and then we continue our mission.